Good morning, class. I have here a short story. Our story is all about The Forgotten Book by Emily Harper. Hey, let's start. Anna loved spending her weekends browsing through the old books in the town library. So, what did Anna love doing on weekends? Okay, very good. One rainy afternoon, she discovered a dusty, leather-bound book hidden in a corner. So, what did Anna find one rainy afternoon? Okay, very good. The cover was faded, but she could still make out the title, The Lost Chronicles. So, what was the title of the book Anna found? Okay, very good. Curious Anna opened the book and was immediately captivated by its stories. So, what was Anna's reaction upon opening the book? Okay, very good. So she decided to borrow it and rushed home to read it by the fireplace. So what did Anna decided to do with the book? Okay, let's see. As she read, she realized the book contained handwritten notes and drawings. So what did Anna find inside the book? So let's see. The notes detailed the adventures of a young explorer named William. So, whose adventures were detailed in their handwritten notes? Okay, very good. Anna felt as if she were discovering secrets hidden for years. How did Anna feel while reading the notes? Okay, very good. Determined to learn more, she researched the book's origin and author. So, what did Anna do to find out more about the book? Okay, very good. She discovered that William was a real person who lived in her town a century ago. Oh, what did Anna find out about William? Okay, very good. Excited, Anna shared his findings with the local historical society. Who did Anna share her findings with? Okay, they were thrilled and decided to display the book in the town museum. So, what did the local historical society decide to with the book? Okay, let's see. Anna felt proud knowing she had uncovered a piece of her town's history. How did Anna feel about uncovering a piece of her town's history? Okay, very good. That evening, she continued reading by the fire, feeling connected to the past. So that's the end of our story.